Hi guys, VST here, Diagnostics Tech, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Today we are going to take a look at device care. Okay, if you're not sure what it is, make sure to watch the full video. Device care is a very important tool that can help you maintain your phone into a good shape. I just installed the update that was released on the 24th of May, and now the version is 13.0.020. Now how do we access it, guys? You need to go inside settings, scroll down a bit until you reach something called battery and device care, and voila. Here you have device care. Why is this tool important? Because it will allow you very easily to just click optimize button and perform some checks, and of course also optimize your phone. Detect battery high usage, detect app crashes, close background applications, and also of course perform some more advanced things like virus scanning and etc. So this here is device care. Optimize now is the first thing you can do, but there are many other things, and I would like to walk you around in this video. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe for my channel and also hit that bell icon to get notified every time I do upload a new video. So this is the main menu. You have the optimize now button, you have a section on the battery, you can just see how much battery you have available, a section on the storage, a section on your memory, a device protection, which is eventually a virus scanner, and then guys you have also additional care, software update, which is a very easy way for you guys to just go there and check in case there are some new software updates. And also something very important, not a lot of people know, there is something called Diagnostics. When you open the Diagnostics, you're gonna get inside Samsung members a diagnostic tool where you can just test 25 components of your phone. The battery status, the NFC, the network, the sensors, the flashlight, the vibration, the wireless charging, speaker, pretty much everything. And I always advise guys, if you're buying a second-hand used Samsung phone, make sure to use this. This is very useful. Up above we have of course a hamburger menu where we can add the device care icon. Once you do this guys, you're gonna get an icon called device care, and of course you are also able to place it on your home screen for easy access. Now going back inside the tool, click the three dots. There is also something called automation. From this menu you're able to hit the auto optimize daily, right? And you can also choose which time this should happen. So let's say now I've turned the auto optimization daily. I want this to happen every day at 3 AM, and I don't want the tool to close application to free up memory. But in case you want to do so, you can do it. You can also set auto restart at set times, and definitely switch this on guys, adaptive power saving. The adaptive power saving is important, and I really strongly encourage you to use it. Now we are back on the first menu. Let's click here, this icon, from where we can access the care report. So you can just see all the applications that were causing some issue. So let's click on see all, and let's click on Chrome, and you can just see this application crashed on this date, so it caused an issue. You can also see here the restart history, what was the last time your phone was restarted, and you can also turn on device protection, which is actually a McAfee virus scan. I'm just gonna turn it right now for you guys so that you know how it works. No threat found, and I can, if I want, scan the phone. Okay, right now I decided to not do so, but it's there for you to use. Now let's review the individual section. The first one is the battery. Clicking inside will give you access to the usage since the last full charge. You can also view the last 7 days, and you can of course click on the all these days to just check your individual consumption. The battery use is in blue, the charging now is in green, and there are plenty of more settings inside this menu. You're allowed to choose the power saving on and off, and of course you can also limit apps on home screen. There are plenty of things you can do. You can set up also the background usage limits, like put the unused application to sleep, see which applications are sleeping, see the deep sleeping apps, and etc. So if you have problems with notification, you want to start there. You can also here tweak the wireless power sharing by just saying the limit that you want to be able to give, and more battery settings guys. This is very important. Adaptive battery, choose this one. I always do so. Processing speed, you can go from optimized to high to maximum, really in terms of what you want. Now pay attention, these settings doesn't apply to games, right? So if you want to play games, use the game launcher and use the priority mode there. Then you have all these types of charging, the fast charging, super fast, fast wireless, and the battery protection that will limit your charging to 85% if you want to do so. Very important guys, more battery settings. The second option is the storage. It will give you the internal storage and also the breakdown, the trash, so you're able here to clean all the files from the trash, to clear the duplicate files and also scan for large files. Then we have the memory, very important. From inside this memory you can clean now and get a bit more, and also from here guys you're able to access the One UI 4.1 RAM Plus feature. So once I'm in the main memory menu, I can click on the RAM Plus and I can choose from 2 GB to 8, 4 being the default option. Also guys, excluding applications, you can select here applications that you want to be excluded when you clean the memory. So fancy. And then last but not least guys, we have the device protection. That's what I showed you, turning on the scanner, and this is the device care. I would say it's one of the best tools out there. Use it probably once a week. The idea is to see great result. If that's the case, then you're most probably using your phone in the best way and getting the best performance. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please you and your families stay safe. VST over and bye.